Question number 101. You use natural language processing to process a text from a Microsoft news story. Which type of natural language processing was performed? Option A, entity recognition. Option B, key phrase extraction. Option C, sentiment analysis. Option D, translation. So, what is the question asked? Question asked is you are using the natural language processing to process the text. So, during the processing the text, if you have any story, so how you can analyze it? Entity recognition, yes. This is the way we can identify what entity in the given content. Where the key phrase extraction that will extract the key and phrases of the given context or given text. Whereas option C, sentiment analysis, this is the identify what sentiment is given in the given context or given text, like happy, sad, like option D, translation. This is used translation. Correct answer is option A, entity recognition. Question number 112. You are developing a natural language processing solution in Azure. The solution will analyze the customer review and determine how positive or negative each review. This is the example of the type of natural language processing workflow. So here, as in previous question, we had discussed that the given text, if you want to identify what as the text conclusion or in text, what type of sentiment is there. So for that, sentiment analysis is the best option by which we can identify what sentiment is in a given context. Is it a positive? Is it a negative? So correct answer is option B, sentiment analysis. Question number 113. This is statement based question. In this question, we need to identify if statement is correct or incorrect, right? So, first statement is monitoring online service review for pro friends is an example of natural language processing. Yes. Proficiency is the example of natural language processing by which we can monitor it. Question statement 2. Identify brand logo in an image is an example of natural language processing. No, it's a part of image processing, right? So statement 2 is false. Statement 3. Monitoring public news site for the negative mention of a product is the example of natural language processing. Yes, this is also the part of the natural language processing. So statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false, and statement 3 is again true. Question number 114. In this question, there is the workload type and the answer rate here. We have a few three statements, right? And all these three statements, which workload type can be relate to the statement, right? So first statement is extract person, location, organization from a text. Is the part of entity recognition, key phrase extraction, language modeling, sentiment analysis, natural language processing, translation, and speech recognition, speech synthesis. See, either it can be key entity recognition or key phrase. Here we have a confusion. So here it's asking about the person, location, organization. We need to extract. So simply we know entity recognition is the best suit for that one. So for option one, statement one, entity recognition will be here. Then statement two, evaluate text along a positive or negative scale. Right. So positive negative we can in earlier question means 100 I think 12 or 13 we were discussing about the natural language processing. Their sentiment analysis are there. In the sentiment analysis we can identify what the statement given by the user is it a positive or negative. So for that statement 2 sentiment analysis will be best so, right? And option 3 return text translated to the specific target language. That is the part of the translation, right? So first is entity, second is the sentiment, and third one is the translation. Again, the statement based question need to identify the statement is yes or no. Our statement is true or false. First statement is the text analysis service can identify which language text is written. Yes, text analysis firstly identify in which language text is written. So statement one is the true. Statement 2, the text analysis service can detect the handwritten signature is in a document. No, that is the main task of the OCR. OCR can identify a human or handwritten signature. Right? Question statement 3. The text analysis service can identify the company and organization mentioned the given document. Yes, text analysis can identify the logo, the company. So statement 3 is true. Question number 116. You need to make the written press release of your company available in the range of language. Which service should you use? A. Translator. B. Text analysis. C. Speech. D. Language understanding. Yes. So what is the question asked? Question asked is you need to make the written press releases of your company in the range of language, mean different language. So if you need to make written press release available in multiple language, you need a service that is a translator and translate the text, right? So for this, there is the translator language is the best route. Why? Once again, I am telling you, as I earlier explained everything, but once again, for all the option, I am explaining you. Translator is used to provide the real-time text translate into the dozen of languages, right? This is ideal for the document website or the press release. Option B, text analysis. Text analysis is used for the sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, entity recognition. Whereas option C, that is used to convert speech to text and text to speech, not written text language, right? And option D, language understanding, Lewis, that is recognize the user intent and entity in the chatbot of the application. So correct answer is option A, translate. Question number 117. This statement-based question need to identify the statement is true or false. So, first statement is the face service can be used to perform facial recognition of your employee. Yes, this is used to identify the facial recognition, right? Statement 2. Face service will be more accurate if you provide more people, more photo each employee of the different angles. Yes, this is also true. Once we will give lots of images, so it will be more accurate to identify the people. So statement 2 is also true. Statement 3, if the employee is wearing sunglasses, the face service will be failed to recognize the employee. Yes, this statement is partially true. Uh, because the face service is face recognition, face detection algorithm rely on the key facial landmarks such as eyes, nose, and mouth. So yes, it will be identify or verify the person. But yes, for here this statement is also true. Question number 118. You need to develop a mobile app for the employee to scan and store their expenses while traveling. Which type of computer vision should you use? A. Sentiment segment. A option says semantic segment. Option B. Image classification. Option C. Object detection. Option D. OCR. So what is exactly question asked? Question asked is developing a mobile app for the employee to scan and store their expenses while they traveling. This means this app need to read and extract the text like amounts, date, merchant name, and from receipt or bill, which is exactly the work of the OCR. Right. Let's talk about all the option. Option is sentiment segment, semantic segment. Sorry. Semantic segment is not valid for the vision one, right? And option B, semantic segment. Let me tell you what is semantic segment. So semantic segment is the classifies each pixel in the image that is used to self-driven car medical imaging, right? Where image classification used to identify the overall category. of an image like cat, car, dog, right? Object detection is used to detect the object from the image, where is OCR is used to extract the text from the image. So correct answer is option D. Question number 119. A custom vision service can be used to detect the object in the image. Yes, custom vision is used to detect the object from the image. This is true. Statement 2. A custom vision service require that you provide your own data to train the model. Yes, custom vision we always provide their own text, our own data to our own images to train the model. So statement 2 is also true. Statement 3, custom vision service can be used to analyze the video file. No, custom vision is used to identify the image only. So 1, 2 is true and 3 is false. Question number 120. You are processing a photo of runners in the race. You need to read the number on the runner's shirt to identify the runners in the photo. Which type of the computer vision should you use? A facial recognition? No. Facial recognition is used to face recognition, right? Optical character recognition, yes. OCR is used to identify whatever the number is written in there. Sure. Sentiment analysis, this is not. The sentiment analysis is used to identify the sentiment of given text. Object detection, here we are not using the object detection because object detection is used to identify what object is given images, right? So correct answer is option